Buzzing sounds are like a piece of hell while you are logging to send accurate signals to your receiver or customer from your HF ham radio. Though you might have picked the finest quality radio, it still happened. I know how it feels. You might be asking yourself, what has gotten into the radio? To your dismay, you live with this issue for the rest of your life, or you can just get rid of the situation by having the best coax for HF ham radio. A coaxial cable is the right tool to send your radio signals with ease and used by most professionals and home users. However, all things considered, how do you pick the right one? Considering expert reviews, buyer opinions, and all the research, we have found out the best ones for you. Let's begin. The first one is Superbat UHF coax cable. This coaxial cable is made of UHF male PL 259. The cable length is about 6.56 feet and the cable type is flexible with low loss quality. UHF female connector is used with brass material and nickel body plating. This cable is used for antennas, antenna analyzer, dummy load, radio scanner, ham radio transceiver, SWR meter, CB radio handheld and amateur radio equipment. You don't have to worry about the security problems and 1 month replacement warranty is provided and 100% satisfaction is guaranteed. The second one is Steeren 205-700 coax cable. This cable uses Steeren's Premium RG8X Mini 50 ohm coax cable. This is for high-powered applications or users who want the best coax. Greatest jumpers to an antenna tuner, switch, meter or your main antenna. A RG8X coaxial cable PL259 is perfect for CB, amateur and two-way radio applications. UHF to UHF antenna with male plug and nickel plated connectors. The third one is Extreme Consumer Expert RG8X coax cable. This heavy duty 50 ohm coax cable wire is proudly manufactured and assembled in the USA. RG8X holds the strongest signal with the lowest loss rate of 8x than any other brand. Perfect for CB or ham radio, RF antenna connection, switch meter or antenna tuner and more. Direct ground burial rated, flexible and durable polythene jacket for maximum protection. This has warranty of 5 years and 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed. The fourth one is RF adapter RG8X coaxial cable. This RG8X coax cable is used for CB ham radio, antenna analyzer, tuner, switch, monitor, dummy load and SWR meter. It is also great for Jeep Wrangler CB installation. The 100 feet CB antenna cable has UHF PL259 male-to-male plug, nickel-plated connectors which are fully molded. The braid shield is made of aluminium wire which makes this jumper cable really low loss and maximum protection of the signal during the transmission. RG8X coax cable has thicker pure copper inner conductor and it is a step up from standard RG58 coaxial cable and is recommended for high-powered applications or users who simply want the best coax possible. You don't have to worry for the warranty and friendly customer service will be provided for the 12 months for your confident purchase. The last but not the least, MPD Digital LMR 400 coax cable. This is genuine US-made registered trademark of MPD Digital Systems, connects antennas, receivers, meters and radio transmitters. 400 transmission line can be provided with this coaxial cable with soldered silver plated connectors. Teflon dielectrics has impediments of 50 ohms and the frequency range is 11 GHz. PL259 connectors are not recommended for use above 300 MHz.